going to determine whether the series converges or diverges. We're going to use two different methods. The first method is the comparison test for series. So we're going to compare square root of n divided by n squared plus 1, and note that it's less than square root of n divided by n squared, because our denominator is larger than this one, and our numerators are the same. Now this right here can be reduced to, this is n to the 1/2 times n to the negative 2 power, which is n to the 1/2 minus 2. So this is going to be n to the negative 3/2 power. So we just write this 1 divided by n to the 3/2. All right, since that's the case, and it's smaller, and this p, this is a p series, our p equals 3/2, which is greater than 1. So since this is convergent, our b sub n is convergent, that means our a sub n is also convergent. So you just write convergent. You can also do the limit comparison test and take our, we're still going to compare it to 1 divided by n to the power of 3/2. So if we do the limit as n approaches infinity, and then we have a sub n divided by b sub n. So we're going to do n to the 1/2 power divided by n squared plus 1 divided by b sub n, which is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. You're going to get this equals the limit as n approaches infinity of n. Let's see. This is going to be 4/2, so n squared divided by n squared plus 1. Divide everything by n squared, and you're going to get the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by n, which equals 1. Now, according to the limit comparison test, this equals our c, which is greater than 0. So it's convergent, and therefore this series, n equals infinity to n equals, 1 to infinity of 1 divided by n to the power of 3/2. Since this is convergent, and since my c is greater than 0, my c is greater than 0, then both series are convergent. Either they're both convergent or both divergent. My p series is convergent, so that means this series is also convergent. Looked like the direct comparison test was a little bit easier. All right, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.